Here with Hallie, we just did her Senegence makeup tutorial. Now we're going to do beach waves. So I guess you're getting a free hair tutorial. Please excuse my appearance in this video. I've got wet hair and no makeup other than my lips. I do have my purple rain on though. We're going to teach her beach waves. So she says she has flat hair. She can't do anything with it. So I went all over with Chi and Viro 54 spray. I just lifted it up, did it all over. We want to add texture. Your hair cannot hold curl without texture, okay? Okay. Then I'm going to brush it all out. And you want yours to be straight at the ends, right? You want messy beach waves, not romance waves, sorry. So not like glamour waves, you want messy beach waves. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with, take off my rings. Bombshell Big Hair Powder. This is Michael O'Rourke. You can get it at Ulta. And you're just gonna put it in your hands. It looks like baby powder. And you're just going to, if you have blonde hair, this works a lot better. When I put it in my hair, it looks like I'm going gray. But yeah, if you have lighter hair, that's definitely the better powder. If you have darker hair, you need to get a hair powder for dark hair. I'm just putting it all in.
So what does this do?
Adds texture and volume.
Okay.
It's gonna give it something to stick to. So like that's just your natural hair without it.
Like a crazy cat lady.
You have a little bit more volume, don't you?
A little bit.
Okay. You want to tease before you curl. You tease after you curl, you're gonna mess it up.
Okay. I need to know how to do that because
You're
I've tried
know how to
teasing
do
before
that
and it
because
was a
you live
disaster.
in the South and you're gonna know how to do that. And I'm also gonna go get some sea salt spray.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna go into this. I also got Ulta, but I think you can even get it at, oh no, we're losing battery. I think you can even get it at Walmart. It's Not Your Mother's Beach Babes Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. That's what I was saying about texture gives your, have you ever colored your hair?
No.
Okay.
I want to though.
Okay. Coloring your hair will damage your hair. Damage creates texture. I don't recommend it, but literally if your hair is colored, it's gonna hold curl better because if it's colored lighter. Now,
I want to get highlights, but I don't know
if
I can pull it off.
You might get highlights. I think you would look really good with a little bit balayage around your face, just to get more of a beachy look with your skin tone. And then you would, so you're going to tease. This is a tease comb, T-E-A-Z-E. You can get it at Sally's or Amazon. When you tease, you have to know how to tease. You're from the South. You're gonna hold it straight up, and you're gonna brush away. So I'm gonna brush towards this wall. I'm gonna go in slow motion so you can see it at first. Then you comb it over so that it doesn't look crazy. You want basically. And then I'm just going to go around with the curling wire and create a messy curl. For messy curls, messy beach waves, you don't want to include the bottom piece of your hair. You want to leave it unkept so it's messier, and you don't want to go in the same direction with each piece. You're going to go back and forth and switch directions. So,
does it matter what size curling iron you use?
I prefer on hair your length about a one inch. So I'm going in with a 1 inch curling iron. I'm holding it down. You're gonna wrap it around your fingers about a 1 inch piece. I'm leaving the bottom out. bottom is not on the curling iron. I'm holding with my finger. We want the bottom to be messy. After it cools, you go in with your fingertips and you're going to pull it apart.
Okay.
This, I'm going to do the opposite way. Leave the bottom out. I'm going to go the other way. Leave the bottom out. But yeah, so if you got very large highlights, especially, or just around the front of your face, it would really add dimension.
I've been looking at ideas on Pinterest.
This fan in the background is giving you an opposite way of not seeing anything. Wind blown hair look. So that's just the front. So
Okay.
you just pull it apart with your fingers, and then it's a messy wave.
See, I got my hair cut short because I wanted to do this, and then I never learned how to do it.
Okay. So I'm gonna start on the other side, and then you just go all the way around your head.
Okay.
So you point it down. The first piece you want to be pointed away from your face.
And you don't hold it for very long.
Maybe 10 seconds.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna go.
So this can be done quickly in the morning if I learn how to do it.
Yes, you can also do there's a lot of, I'm about to do more of them. I've done a few and I've not put them on my YouTube blog yet, but there's a lot of great things you can do for overnight waves to wake up and have beach waves when you wake up in the morning.
Okay.
I tested one out yesterday and it turned out pretty good. There's also headbands you can buy for beach waves, but I have gotten more of a curl effect from those. So just stay tuned to my YouTube and I will put more. No heat wave styles up, so that way you can not damage your hair and have more time in the morning.
That'd be good.
So now I'm just going all over, just going back and forth, back and forth. I'm going to cut this video after this curl before my phone dies because I think you've got it now.
Okay.
So hold it down, wrap this curl around, leave the bottom out. And then what you can do is you can go back in, use your salt spray, and spray, and add a little bit more texture.
Okay.
Just like that.
Do you have to hairspray it after?
I don't.
Okay.
I don't like sticky feeling.
I don't either.
So that is what your beach waves are going to look like, and then we're going to do them all over.